To make a cheese omelet, first crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of water, and a dash of salt and pepper. Adding water to the egg will make your omelet light and fluffy. Whisk everything together until the mixture is thoroughly combined. Next, heat 1 tablespoon, 14 grams of butter in a pan over medium heat until it melts and coats the bottom of the pan. Then pour in the egg mixture. After about 10 seconds, use a spatula to gently guide the egg into the middle and away from the sides. Keep doing this until the egg firms up. Now sprinkle 1/3 cup, 42 grams of grated cheese on 1/2 of the cooked egg, and fold the other half over the cheese using the spatula. Finally, cook the omelet for 30 more seconds or until the egg is completely cooked through. Enjoy.